Hello guys, very short video today. I was watching the platform and I saw one message which kinda piqued my interest. So I'm going to put a print screen. Supporting your business through change. This year there have been multiple changes to the broader ads ecosystem that have had an impact on your ads. We know that these changes have increased the cost of achieving your advertising objectives or made it harder for you to measure your campaigns on our platforms. Thank God you know. We believe that real-world outcomes like sales and app installs are likely higher than what is being reported for many advertisers. This is true. We are continuing to work on your behalf, building new features. Okay, so this is why I think that all of this speculation that we hear in forums and everywhere that Facebook is going to build something like a Wicked Reports or Hyros so that they can have a better reporting, it's actually true. Designed to show you more complete reporting that better reflects the full impact of your ads. So basically from what I'm understanding here is that Facebook is working on a tool that is going to actually report the actual data that you are receiving from your ads. Is it going to have the technology of Hyros, of Wicked Reports? Are they going to buy one company because it's easier for them not to develop it, of course, just to actually buy one company that's actually having the technology? So we will never know until they actually release it, but I'm kinda sure that they're working on something like this because they know that the platform is not working in a bad way. It's actually giving results. I'm having a lot of clients actually that they tell me, hey, you see bad results, but we see good results on our end. So keep doing what you're doing. But Facebook wants to actually have a tool which is going to actually report all of this data so that nobody is going to say that advertising on Facebook is bad, because clearly they're losing millions from what happened with iOS. So this is what they're trying to do in order to improve it. When they're going to release it, I'm going to do another video, most probably being happier about it, and we're going to discuss about this new feature when the time comes. I will see you in a future video.